Hi folks, Sasha here from TT Liquor. Today we're going to talk about a drink from our new Masterclass menu, and this one here is a showstopper. It has flames, it has citrus, it has 3 different types of rum, and for this delicious reason we teamed up with our guys from Plantation Rum to present the Mai Tai. It is a beautiful, well-balanced classic cocktail, and I hope you're going to enjoy it, and I hope you're going to have fun with it.
Alright, it's Kay. I am once again here at TT Liquor, and I'm going to be showing you another one of our new cocktail class drinks. So this is a really classic tiki cocktail. We're going to be making a Mai Tai. First ingredient going in there is going to be some rum. And for this drink we've made a rum blend. So we've used equal parts plantation dark rum and plantation white rum, and I want 75 mils or 3 shots of my rum blend. So here we go. So that's 50 and another 25 to bring us up to 75 mils. Right, next thing going in here is going to be some triple sec or some orange liqueur, and we want about 20 mils of our triple sec. But this is Orgeat or almond syrup, and we want 25 mils of our Orgeat. And I want about 30 mils of my lime juice. I just want about 20 mils of my pineapple juice. So now I'm going to go ahead and fill this up with cubed ice and give it a good old shake. Beautiful. Whack my tin on at an angle, big old smack to seal it, and we'll give that a shake for around about 10 seconds. Here we go. All right, giving that a good shake, I'm going to crack it open. And we're going to serve it with dirty ice, which means I'm just going to use the ice that's in the shaker. I don't need to strain it. I'm just going to pour the whole thing into the glass like so. There we go. And I'm going to pop a little bit of crushed ice on top before I garnish it. I've got here one of the empty lime halves from squeezing my lime juice. And what I'm going to do is just kind of stick my thumbs in there, push all of the remaining flesh to the edges, and I'm going to sit that little bowl on top of my cocktail like so. And what I'm going to do is just fill up my lime bowl here with some of this Overproof Rum. I'm going to take a match and I'm going to set that alight. There we go. It'll take a second to catch. I'm just going to dust a little bit of cinnamon over this flame. And to finish it off, I'll blow it out. Just pour the rest of that Overproof Rum on top of my drink. And that is going to be our TT Mai Tai ready to drink.